to apply for the School Bell Award.
My teachers instilled in me a love of reading and a love of learning and a comportment within the community and a love for our community. That's what my teachers did for me. And when I see them out in the streets, it's like a rock star, man. That she used to be my teacher at Valiant. You go up to them and they light up too. And so this is one way that we show our appreciation to the teachers of our community. From Laredo ISD, United ISD, the Catholic Diocese Schools, Harmony, United Day School, all the schools, Laredo College, and TAMI-U. We will pick out or select the best teachers in our community, and we will announce them during our School Bell Award banquet, which will be held at Laredo College in the first week of May. I don't know the exact date yet. We're still working on that, but on that day, the Laredo Chamber of Commerce will be recognizing the top teachers of our city. And how do we select them? Actually, the selection comes from our community. We ask our community to nominate the teachers that they think are deserving of this honor. They're all deserving. I mean, what teacher doesn't give up themselves at the classroom and influence the lives of our children? As of today is Monday, February 27th. Okay, starting today, Laredoans can nominate the teacher that they most respect and admire. There is an application that is available online. It'll be posted on the Chamber of Commerce's website. And if you don't want to do it online, you can also print out the application and submit it here to the Chamber of Commerce. But you do have a deadline. Our deadline to submit applications is Friday, March the 31st, the last day of March. That we ask you just to follow along the application directions. It's not very difficult, and we will be looking at all the applications and then selecting a winner of the elementary category, a teacher from LISD and one from Kimura ISD in the private schools, but also the best teachers from middle school, high school, elementary private schools, secondary private schools, and elementary and secondary charter schools, a top teacher from Laredo College, and a top teacher from Texas A&M International University. The important thing is that you do have to get the signature and the approval of the principal of that teacher. So don't forget, March the 31st, we'll be expecting all of the nominations in for the School Bell Award dinner.